Right. So the our first video represents estimating the confidence interval. We have been given of the total samples and standard deviation. Here in our next video, okay, so by the way, our reference book from statistics for business economics global edition. So we want to estimate the mean. So here we have some transfer data. Okay. This set of data, okay, so we will use this sample data. Okay. So by the way, this data is from this is from the this delinquent bank holders for how many dollars are they uh, they owe the bank. So here we just have to assume this is a peso, or we may assume that this is the average, yeah, for us to better understand this one. This is assume that money inside the wallet of a lot of people in peso. Okay, so so for example, we have a random, we conducted a random survey and asked a lot of people around the world, and we come up with that they have 195 pesos, have 251 pesos. So now we want to assume the population of a random people, uh, how much money they have in their wallet. So here we have a given here the total good for the total population, the total people. We will do this one. We will count all of this. So we have total of 100 samples. So samples is was not for the total. This upstairs. Let's put sample is 100. So we get the mean okay. So the average is 200. Okay, so for the last example, we use the population standard deviation to estimate the confidence interval. Now we will be using the sample standard deviation. We just have to put this okay. Standard deviation. Just put this one. Okay. Just have to use this. So the standard deviation is 19.4. Okay. So compared to our last video, we just filtered the, the sample of uh, we use the sample standard deviation, I mean the population standard deviation here. Since we have this, we don't have the population standard deviation, we'll be using the sample standard deviation to estimate the confidence interval. Okay, so to do that, we must also do a confidence interval, the z value. So since we have all of this good data, we can now compute for the confidence interval. Okay. So compute for the confidence interval. Okay, some might wonder that uh, we on a given example we use the population stratification. Okay. Some may have a doubt to use sample standard deviation, but according to the general rule, as long as it has more than 30 samples, it is considered as, according to the theory, um, it is considered as also standard normal distribution, as long as the samples are 30. Okay? So since our sample is 100, it's related 30 plus. We use this one. It's just reliable. The estimator for example. We use the 95. Now we have this one. Now for the confidence interval. Okay. First we need to this one. And then multiply the sample standard deviation over the square over the square root of 100. Have here 72 pesos. Okay. So the average money the people have, uh, so the average mean is 233.28, and then the confidence interval 7.71. So therefore, we can conclude now that from the confidence interval is from 2. So we just have to add this one here. We will use 233 plus coming from the confidence interval is from 250.27 pesos to 250.29. So split up the interval, the people, the amount of people serving the mall having this kind of money. Okay, so the mean will fall, will somehow fall. Net, I am 95% confident that the mean will fall between 250.7 pesos to 250 pesos. Okay?